At Age Rejuvenation, we also have a lot of interest about sexual health, and part of that is erectile dysfunction in men. And so we have various treatment programs available to men to be able to enhance their physical abilities.
I'm in the process right now of getting the pulse wave treatment here at Age Rejuvenation. It's not like my sex life was dormant, but the pulse wave has made it so much better. It really has. And the people here who do the treatments, they're so good. They make you feel comfortable. You're not self-conscious at all. I was a little worried about that. Everybody here is so friendly, and again, they're sort of like your family. Not that I need any help with my sex life, but you can always improve. My performance in the bedroom is as good as my performance in the weight room now. It's incredible. My girlfriend has really noticed a difference. In fact, she's noticed such a difference that I'm gonna have to send her down to Age Rejuvenation to get her on something. I noticed there are actually a lot of men who get this done, which made me feel good for all the guys out there who are doing this, because it really helps.